Today we're going to show you how to replace a headlight bulb on a Buick Regal. You're going to want to put safety on first. Make sure your headlight switch is off and the ignition is turned off. Once you've done that, open the hood. Find your safety catch, safety release. It's in the middle. Pull it up. This one has a nice hood strut. So we're gonna locate our headlight and go behind there. We're gonna locate the cover, and this is a twist off cover. Once you've untwisted, take the cover off. Your headlight bulb is located right there in plain visible sight. You're gonna pull on this and pull the pigtail out, or you can push out. There you go. To disconnect the harness. Once you've done that, twist your bulb and gently wiggle it out of place. Once the bulb is out, you inspect the element or the glass to see if it's cracked. You're going to want to replace your headlight bulbs in pairs because you can get them cheaper once you buy one and get them in a 2-pack. You save a couple dollars.
The light bulb for the Buick Regal is a 90-12 bulb.
The lifespan of each bulb is it's around the same thing. So if your driver's side one has gone out, your passenger side one is not too far away. When you open up your package, you're going to see that the bulb comes with a protector over the glass, because you don't want the oils from your hands going on the glass. It can cause premature failure, and you don't want to bang up the glass or drop the bulb. Be careful with it. Once you've taken it out of the package, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna locate the hole and plug it in. So you're gonna line these areas up with the cutouts in the light assembly. Apply a little pressure and twist. Your bulb is in place. You will just plug in the connector, put your cover back on, and voila. That's how you replace a headlight on a Buick Regal. Okay, if you were doing it on the driver's side, we can give you a little tutorial here. So you're going to want to remove your fuse box cover. So these are pinch, they're not pull. So you're going to pinch these guys. Pinch them up. Take the cover off. Make sure you don't have anything that can fall in here, especially anything sharp. You shouldn't need anything sharp here. Wear gloves. This bottle reservoir filler neck snaps out of place. You just pull on it. You're gonna want to set this down either on the floor or up here. That way you don't lose it, step on it, and destroy it. And it's gonna be the same thing. You just twist off. And you're gonna set that up here too, so you don't lose it. And over here, disconnect your wiring harness. Twist your headlight bulb out, inspect it, make sure it's good. And we put that guy back in, twist. You can see that the connector ends up facing up. In other vehicles, the connector side on the headlight bulb is facing down, so it could get a little trickier. Buick was really nice on designing this. Put your cover back on, twist, and you put your fuse box top cover on. This shaft goes into the hole, so shaft the hole.